When I was mayor, kalaban ko lahat ang kriminal. Huwag naman yung mga staff, wala akong pakialam dyan, yung mga tseke-tseke. Yung mga kidnappers sa Mindanao po, marami yan. At yung mga lawless elements doon, when they go on a rampage, they take over the entire municipality. I-hostage nila yung municipality, yung bangko lahat doon, hino-hold up, at yung police hindi makagalaw kasi nakapalibot sila and there are civilians. And they cannot start a war because the civilians eventually